1. 1977 Oldsmobile 8 Regency Touring Sedan, $1,500, Detroit, Michigan. This 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Touring Sedan is available for $1,500. It has 64,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a blue exterior and interior. The original Oldsmobile 403 block runs and drives but needs paint. The rims are not included. The seller is firm on the price and open to trades. Sister 2, 1965 MG MGB, $875, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. A 1965 MGB project car, priced at $1,875 or best offer. The body is rust-free except for a small spot on the passenger door. The interior is in good shape with no seat tears, and the top is in solid condition. It has mini-light wheels with Goodyear radial tires. The engine is stuck and needs a rebuild. Includes a Weber 2-barrel carb and the original carburetors. Three, 1970 Mercury Montego MX, $2,900, Export, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Mercury Montego MX is a one-owner vehicle priced at $2,900. It has a rebuilt 302 engine from the late 70s and was last on the road in 1986. Stored indoors since then, it has some smoke damage from a fire in the early 90s. The car turns over and would make a great project. For 1971 Ford Ranchero GT, $2,500, Martinsburg, West Virginia. A rare 1971 Ford Ranchero GT with a 302 engine, priced at $2,500 or best offer. Only 3,600 Ranchero GTs were equipped with this motor. The engine runs and the seller includes new floor pans and a power booster for a power brake conversion. It has rust and the frame is rusty, making it a solid project or parts vehicle. Clean title in hand. Five, 1973 Chevrolet Nova Custom 350, $2,500, Florence, Alabama. A 1973 Chevrolet Nova Custom 350 Coupe, priced at $2,500. It has 86,000 miles and was originally equipped with a vinyl top. The car retains its matching numbers drivetrain. The interior is gutted, with the dash parts stored in the trunk. A rough project car, but comes with some extra parts. 6. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $20,200, Greenwood, Indiana. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Monza is available for $2,200. The engine needs the distributor installed to run, and the brake lines and front steering need to be connected to drive. It has new floor pans, a refurbished front trunk, a new battery, and carb kits. Comes with an MSD electronic ignition distributor and the original distributor, plus a box of extra parts. Some rust is present, and the car needs tires. A great project. Seven 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, $2,350 in Tomish. A 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $2,350. This classic has a blue-on-blue color scheme and is powered by a 289 V8 that needs to be rebuilt. A solid restoration candidate with a clean title in hand. 8. 1971 Chevrolet Malibu, $2,300, Paducah, Kentucky. A 1971 Chevrolet Malibu Sport Coupe priced at $2,300. The car retains its VIN and CAL tag, indicating it was originally burnt orange with a black vinyl top and Arctic white interior. It originally came with a 350 small block engine and automatic transmission, but is currently a rolling shell with no drivetrain. The body is rough and requires extensive metalwork, including floorboards, trunk, quarters, and tail pan. Includes some parts in the trunk. Bill of sale only, no title. (9) 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $1,000, Berea, Kentucky. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala is available for $1,000 as a parts car. It has no engine or transmission and comes with no title. A good donor vehicle for restoration projects. (10) 1971 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2000, Talbot, Tennessee. A 1971 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 long bed pickup, priced at $2,000. It does not run but has good compression, and the transmission appears to be in working condition. Mostly factory original, the truck has solid bones but needs work, will need to be towed. 11. 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, $2,200. This 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a one-owner vehicle priced at $2,200. It has 76,000 miles and features an orange exterior with a burgundy interior. Needs a new gas tank, fuel lines, and one brake line to be roadworthy.